Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this two-colored fuzzy jacket. Ooh, so there's like a little V over here and then a tie for the hood. The back, oh, doesn't have the V, but it is still on the sleeves. In the front, there are no pockets or anything, and this is what the sleeve looks like. So let me go ahead and try it on. All right, so this is with the hood on and off. Super cute. Love, it's so comfortable, super fuzzy. Love that simple pattern, but it gives it like a nice, just more elevated look. And of course, these are nice as well. You can make it, actually tie them up into something, different style. I don't know, however you like to wear your hoodies. Oh, that's kind of cool. So this is the hoodie in the front. As I said, there's no pockets or anything. Comfortable, loose. If you would like to purchase this hoodie, make sure to check out the links below. For more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.